lovies, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? Hit that subscribe button. So today I'm taking you along with me as I braid my own natural hair. No salon, okay? Just me, my hands, and a little patience. Stay tuned. In this video, I'm going to be using Lush Hair Treatment, Revive, Restored, Rejuvenate. Discover the power of Lush Hair Treatments, a premium collection of deep care formulas crafted to breathe life back into dull, damaged, or tired hair.
And how would you know? I don't understand. I will never empty my bank account for this rubbish.
Whether you are battling breakage, dryness, or slow growth, Lush Hair Treatments are designed to target your hair's specific needs. Give it the love it deserves, guys. So grab your favorite oil, detangling brush, and let's braid together, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video and want to see more natural hair content. Let's get into it. I can sing. I'ma sing for you in my next YouTube video. Whenever it come out, you should go and watch it. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I will always say this. You people like to see someone video and scroll past it. My next YouTube video, I'm going to be holding cane in my hands. If you pass my video, I'm going to beat your nose. I'm just kidding, guys. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that whenever I post, my video can notify you that I'm on. So follow me on Instagram at Miss Seaton, TikTok Miss Rebel 98. Stay tuned for more content.
Hi! I'm nice to see you. Where you been?
Where's my money?
Can you know, come to your
I need my money or I need it.
Calm down now. Why are you shouting?
Why am I shouting?
No.
Oh, we are bigger than. You have not even seen.
Come down. Wait, my friends now. You should give me the money.
You're saying.
Marcus, wait, Marcus, we're friends. Marcus, please. About the 5 million I deposited.
That's for my compensation. For
wasting your time. Marcus. You better see that the account. Let's not pay those guys face. Now you don't close the increase.
So is it like your friend have? What you have? You have be happy. The friend Brian Benz, you don't rap Benz. You, my dear.
Fake life,